What's up, guys? This is my 98 Honda Civic CX hatchback 5-speed. Okay, this car's all stock, unmodified, clean title, one owner, no rear wiper. This is the CX model, the lightest Civic of hatchbacks of the EK generation. Pretty clean. It's got some dents, some dings, some scratches, you know. It's been driven every day for 20 some years. It only has 113,000 or 130,000. I need to go look as we're on video, but it runs good, drives good. It's past smog. Overall would make a really clean, you know. Seats are clean. 120,000 miles on it, but it's dirty. I'm gonna wash it, don't mind it. But it is a CX 5-speed. And yeah, this one will probably go pretty quick, guys. Dirt. But yeah, if you're interested, $6,500. Let me know.